Alright, my wonderful people, how na dey? I don carry another update carry come. So today for this video, I go try compare two different apps wey I don use wey don work out for me. I go try compare them to see how dem dey, which one wey better pass, which one wey you go fit use pass, which one wey you go fit enjoy, you understand? So na wetin I wan do be that today. Remember say this one no be tutorial, this one na just review. This one na review wey I dey do, no be tutorial. I just wan compare these two apps make we see how dem dey. First of all, we go see when they launch these two apps, we go see some reviews wey people talk about these two apps. We go also see the earning potential wey these two apps get, and we go check out their payout methods, whether in dey easy accessible for us wey dey here for Nigerians, because I can't realize say plenty updates dey work, but most of them no dey come work for Nigeria. So now the problem where we get be that. So now I won't compare these two apps because I don't use the both of them. So I just want compare them, make we see which one better pass, you understand? So now what we go talk about today be that. So if you're interested, make sure say you calm down, relax, make you watch this video from the beginning to the end. This is a clear warning and a total disclaimer. The content in this video might be considered harmful or dangerous content, but note that this video is intended for educational purposes. I'm doing this video for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. That's a total disclaimer. And this is just to raise an awareness. Also note that any money online required risk. If you're ready to take the risk, well, you can go ahead and start. And also note that there are affiliate links in the comment section and in the description of this particular video. And if you are to click on these links, I might earn a commission from that, but that does not affect the viewer in any way. You're free to do your own research before you join any platform that you find on my YouTube channel. And the content posted on this channel is actually valid based on the production date. If you see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. What I do here be say, if I use updates and the update can't work, I will come here, come share and say, my people, see updates what I use and in they work for me. So if you want to see plenty videos from my side, make sure say you like this video, you share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you go to collect plenty updates from my hand. Thank you very much. If you don't do them, I really appreciate you now. So the first app I want make we look today now, this app where they call Lovely Pet app, and the second app I go like make we look now, this app where they call WalkTask earning app. Make we talk about what in these apps then they all about, and before we continue to compare the both of them, make we start with Lovely Pet app. Lovely Pet app now one app where they Google Play Store. This particular app talk say if you use their app, make you they play their games, they do small tasks, say they give you coins. So and those coins they go give you, if you convert them to money, come them. Now waiting Lovely Pet app talk be that. Make we talk about WalkTask app. WalkTask app talk say if you use their app, see you go dey waka. For those of una wey like to dey trek well. So as they waka like that, say they go dey count your steps. So as they count your steps, they go convert your steps to coin. Now waiting where WalkTask app talk be that. If you go on YouTube now, you search for this app, you go see plenty videos. Oh yeah, so the first thing we want to talk about here now, when this app, when they launch them, you understand? So we go first start with Lovely Pet app. Lovely Pet app get over 5 million downloads from Google Play Store alone. I don't know about Apple Store. And it get over 200,000 reviews from Google Play Store. It get 4.7 stars. Me, I know today impressed with these reviews because inside their app, it get where then they say, go review our app, we go give you bonus. Some of these reviews, Phoebe say, now people just come and review them to collect bonus, you understand? So I know today impressed, but anyways, make we see. Release on 26th of June 2023. So they launched this app since 2023. The app done there for 2 years straight. The next thing where I go come check here now reviews, okay? Like I talked before, saying people fit come review this app just to collect bonus. So I know to come dey impressed about their review. Make I open the app, make we check their earning potential and their earning structure, whether in dey okay or not. So once you open the app, the first thing we go notice be say one dog like that will just come up, one fine small puppy like that will come up. So wetin they say make you do here be say they say make you dey feed that puppy. Puppy fit say I want drink water, you give am water. The puppy fit say I want eat, you give am food. All those things like that. All these things you dey do am online, no be say na physical, na online. Before somebody go dey confused. After you don't do all these things, you go see some hearts go dey your screen. All those hearts wey dey your screen, you go just tap them. Once you dey tap each of them, those hearts go turn to coin, and you go see those coin for your wallet. Now so this one dey very simple and straightforward. The next thing where they say make you dey use the end, now their offers. You get wetin dem get where they call offers. Now these offers, they get different partners. These their partners. If you play games, if you take surveys, if you do small things like that, then they give you some coin for all these offers, you understand? So now wetin I don't see be that. Another thing where they here now, their affiliate program. So dem get referral program wey be say if you refer person use your referral code, you go dey collect small bonus if you refer person. So na another program wey dem get be that. Na so Lovely Pet app dey. Make we talk about their payout threshold. Lovely Pet app here, the minimum here na 20,000 coin. 20,000 coin na be $2, and 50,000 coin na be $5, and up to 250,000 coin na be $25. You understand? The only payout method wey dey available for this particular Lovely Pet na only PayPal. So without PayPal, you no fit withdraw your money comot from this Lovely Pet app. Besides, me I get PayPal and I don comot money plenty times. I don comot money 1, 2, 3, 4 times from here. So na so Lovely Pet app dey. You understand? Make we check WalkTask app too. So WalkTask app here get 4.2 stars for Google Play Store. WalkTask app get just 1 million downloads. Remember, say Lovely Pet app get 5 million. They released this one on the 21st of August 2024. So this one never reach 1 year. So wetin come be some of the earning features wey dey this particular WalkTask app wey dey here. Number one, they say make you dey waka, say they go dey count your steps. Once they count your steps, they go convert them to coin and then go credit you. Number two, they say make you dey play games. If you dey play game just like Lovely Pet, both of them they similar. Then get extra task wey dey here. They fit say make you invite your friends. You understand? Make you invite your friends if you dey collect small coin. You understand? Make we talk about their redemption method. They get different payout options like PayPal. They get gift cards, different gift cards like Amazon gift card, Apple gift card, Walmart, Google Play, and Starbucks, and plenty gift card wey dey here. And this one to me sef, I don't comot money from this one. The minimum withdrawal here na 3,000 coin. 3,000 coin here go give you $5. Remember, 20,000 coin for Lovely Pet go give you $2. This one 3,000 coin go give you $5. You understand? So now so this one dey. Make we compare the both of them. So if you ask me, inside WalkTask or Lovely Pet, which one dey better? I no fit choose any of them, because if you just want follow Lovely Pet game, that their dog game, for you to get 20,000 coin, it go tey well. It go tey. And if you come to WalkTask, if you want just follow, make you just dey waka dey collect coin. For you to get 3,000 coin, make you come withdraw, e go tey well. Both of them get referral program. Now only their referral program fit help you dey collect plenty money. You understand? Apart from their referral program, if you want just focus on their tax, on their normal tax, e go tey before you see minimum withdrawal. If you ask me, between Lovely Pet and WalkTask, which one dey easy for you to reach minimum withdrawal, I go tell you say na WalkTask. No be because say na 3,000 coin, but because say e get plenty earning up potential inside. If you ask me which one better pass for withdrawal, WalkTask, because they get other payment options like PayPal, gift cards, Amazon gift card, Google Play, and other gift cards, so that if you don't get PayPal account, if you use those other methods, come on your money. But if you come to Lovely Pet, na only PayPal dey. So if you don't get PayPal, you no fit use Lovely Pet app. You understand? So now the difference between these two apps be that I don't comot up to $19 from Lovely Pet, but when it comes to WalkTask, I just started to use them recently. Now only $5 I don't comot. If you add $5 plus my $15, that is $20 totally what I don't earn from WalkTask app. Now I don't withdraw $19 from Lovely Pet app. $19 plus 7, that will give me up to $26 totally. So I don't earn $26 in total from Lovely Pet app, and I don't earn $20 in total from WalkTask app. So the both of them are two good opportunities. Please, I beg, make you remember, say these two platforms, you fit use them only as side hustle. Because if you say make I just focus on these apps, they use them, they collect money, you no go see any better money. So now only as side hustle. This money where they show you, so it take me long time, like months, 2-3 months before I see this money them, like 2-3 months. So if you just they ask me, are these good earning opportunities? Yes, but are they worth it? No, because it will take you long time for you to see this amount of money. Don't use any of them. How did they work for you? It should say they work for you. If they work for you, tell us for comment section. I go see you now for my next video. Bye for now.